What's up, guys? It's Pets Knowledge here, and I just wanted to take a few moments to share with you tips for a successful interview. This is a critical part of your nursing journey, and it's always good to have something in your back pocket whenever it comes to interviewing. Likely, we are here to help. We will to go exactly what types of questioning and nursing can expect to be asked in an interview. We will use some tips on how to answer those questions, including how to tailor. Finally, we will give you the most common nursing interview question you are most likely to ensure, along with how to best answer them. Let's start with what make nursing so unique in the job world. Now that we have covered some basic tips, let's take a look at 15 the most commonly asked nursing interview question. First question is, what are your future career goal and how will this position help you achieve them? Second question, describe what you think great patient care means. Third question, describe mistake that you made on the job or in clinical and how you handle it. Fourth question, describe a time when a co-worker nurse manager made you upset. Fifth question, what has been the most valuable criticism a manager or charge nurse has given you? Why do you want to work for company? Seventh question, what the most important qualities a nurse can have? How would you handle a rude physician or supervisor? Ninth question, why are you goal candidate for this job? 10th question, why did you decide on career as a nurse? 11th question, what do you find rewarding about this job? 12th question, how do you deal with someone who is not satisfied with your patient care? 13th question, tell me about you feel your greatest skill as a nurse is. 14th question, how do you handle the stress of the job? 15th question and last question, are you comfortable working with other doctor and nurse? दिस इज इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. जब आप फॉरेन में जाएंगे, जैसे कनाडा, जर्मनी, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में, अब अगर आप नर्सिंग की जॉब करते हैं तो ये मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो आपसे बार बार पूछे जाएंगे और इसे आप नोट कर लीजिए. ये फॉरेन कंट्री में जो भी जॉब करना चाहता है तो ये क्वेश्चनिंग होती है हॉस्पिटल में जब कोई नर्स जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करने जाती है. इसे आप नोट कर लीजिए. If you like this video, then please do like, share, subscribe and best knowledge. If you have any ideas, share with us. Then please inbox it. Thank you.